Today, we're going to make for you the Florida Pirate. We invented it. He's going to love it.
We don't even know what it is.
Right.
It's awesome.
Yeah. It's awesome. So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. Welcome to Common Cocktails. Danny and Derek, we're going to make you a drink.
Arr.
This is called the Florida Pirate. Because we named it, because we just could not come up with a name. If you like the name, write your comment below. If you don't, tell us what you call it. But here's the recipe, and you tell us what you think it would be called. 1.5 ounces of aged rum, 1/2 ounce of Amer, or we're using China-China.
China-China.
So think of an Amaro. Amer means Amaro in French. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. So it's going to be like a little more sour version of a lemonade. And a dash of Angostura bitters. Shake, strain, serve cold, old-fashioned, over ice. Done.
This is going to be an interesting drink.
You believe it? Like so
I'm excited.
It was like, is it a daiquiri, but it's got lemon? Is
I'm
it
excited.
Old fashioned?
I like
it's got
rum.
bitters and aged rum.
The China-China?
This is kind of like getting
like
in
it.
between.
After the last drink is nowhere but up, right?
Yeah, I'm in the last drink. Oh,
Not a big fan.
yeah. Like, watch that video. It's down here, up
Yeah.
there. I don't know where the fuck it is, but like.
There'll be a link below. That way it shows up wherever you go. What was it called?
That was the Poet's something.
Dead Poet.
The Poet's Nightmare.
We can rename it.
Poet Street. Close.
We can rename that one to the Dan face.
Yeah. That's gonna. You'll see the.
I
don't know why.
I don't know. Everybody liked it, but me.
Yeah. So
Well, no, Ian didn't because he's got good taste, but
he did not unlike it. He just said it was meh.
Yeah, it's just
But you're
mess shitty.
yeah, you're framing this like he also equally hated it.
He did. We're over here. You're over there.
I was fine, but I'm not into that much fucking vermouth and shit. I would rather eat aged rum.
This one seems more interesting.
Yeah. And I think I've had this before, but I can't remember. Because we
You had this one before? Yeah, I just made this, didn't it?
No.
Did Jen make this?
Jennifer accidentally made this.
When?
A couple, 3-4 weeks ago, probably.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Something
we
happened the other night.
made it,
So
we
never
tasted
mind
it.
that.
I tasted it after
No.
he told me it existed.
Right.
I really didn't.
When we were looking for China-China drinks, ChatGPT said this was a good one, and it didn't exist. It had a different name. I can't remember what it was.
American grog.
American grog. I don't like
Oh,
the
that's
idea of
good.
I can
American
see
grog.
that American
The
grog.
problem is
Groggy?
grog is a really bad drink. There's very few grogs that are good.
Oh, right.
So why would
Yes.
you want to drink called the American grog? Because it's just, you think it's going to be shitty. I like the color.
I like the color. I think it's gonna be good.
Dude, I can tell you it was going to be good for the smell. Smell it. What does it smell like? It smells like fucking heaven.
It does.
Right.
Ango.
I'm going wrong.
Yeah, Ango and Rob. I mean, like, you can't go wrong.
Smells of
Arr, motherfucker.
cigars and leather-bound books.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Just like pirates.
Oh,
Arr.
I have lots
See,
of cigars
now I'm
and
back.
leather-bound
Yeah.
Yeah.
books.
That's like a Hemingway pirate.
that other video,
Florida,
it looked like it was a week ago, but it was like 5 minutes ago. And now I'm back.
Felt like a week ago for everybody else.
Falling a week ago, but fucking it wasn't.
It's a good one, Jen. Good job.
Yeah, so that was the drink she actually invented, and we sometimes we tweak them when we
There you go.
make them. Like we'll bring them downstairs, build
That's
them out,
almost tiki. That's tiki-ish.
Yeah.
Kind of is.
Yeah.
Well, it's like too basic for tiki.
and it's got the same color as tiki.
But
You need like 6 more ingredients for it to be tiki.
Yeah.
Though. That's the
Yeah, but
problem.
this tastes tiki without all the work.
Yeah.
Which is a nice
That
thing.
is a really
That
good
is
drink.
the
right?
that's the
That's the-
draw in.
That's a
It
good drink
tastes
for
like
that.
tiki
Oh my God,
without
that-
all the work,
That is a really good drink.
and it's got lemon, which is weird
Mm.
because like most drinks like this would be lime,
Yes.
but it doesn't taste like lemon. It tastes like it's just a cohesive
Yeah.
build.
Good balance.
It's not a lot
Oh.
of bitter, but it's got the citrus from the China-Chinas, like a very bitter orange flavor, which at the end of the day, maybe it's more like a fucking Mai Tai.
It's good because like the bitterness is right on the back end, and it's
Yeah.
like
You know
it
what
makes you wanna
also-
go
I
back.
have another one, yeah.
Yes.
But I think there is one thing that might make you like it more than maybe you would normally like it.
If Ian makes it, is that
There's that, but that's like 10%. I think that the rum specifically, the plantation dark, is sweeter and like creamier and like just toasty.
Mm.
And if I was going to use the Crucian, this might be, it's fine. Like it's not a bad product, but I think it's not going to be as like
Brown sugary
warming.
and
yeah, like
you know.
it's, as lovely like hugs. It's going to be more like just like a brush.
I like the hug.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
I agree.
Yeah, cruising is like the
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
and that stuff is like the
I like this.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
It makes me feel
Also,
so
that's the
warm.
difference.
The other difference there is like once you do the bump, you don't always know what the next set of tricks are going to be that they're going to lay on you. Like I don't know what the
True.
like.
After a bump, it's usually tweak.
Like, do you want me to come in? Like, maybe not.
Well,
Right.
like I was at the grocery store the other day.
Well, when you get pulled,
you did that to a
but you won't be
stranger?
off balance.
It was not a stranger. I was walking. I didn't see him in the
Not
store.
stranger anymore.
It was Don's son was there,
Okay.
and I walked by him like 3 times at the grocery store. Did not know it was him because why are you wearing sunglasses at 9 o'clock at night? Like
kids.
kids, right? So when we left, he had taken them off, and I was like, oh. And so he came over, I was like, how's it going? And he did the whole like maneuver. I'm like, I don't know what comes after. Like he kept going. Like usually, like I don't know all the moves you do with your fingers after this, and then there's this, and I'm like, are we thumb wrestling? I don't fucking know.
I don't disagree.
It changes depending on who it is. So I'm like, I don't know what the new.
It's like
move is.
dancing. Somebody has to lead.
You got to
It's
tell me
true.
what the dance
It
is.
is true. Like I get it.
Right. I'm like,
Because like the people that you know all the time,
that's different.
it's different. It's like
Right, because you
do it
know
all
the
time.
dance.
Yeah.
So like, I feel like he was doing the disco and I was moonwalking. Like I was like, I don't know.
Oh yeah, you gotta speak the language. Man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I get it.
I wasn't driving correctly with whatever he was doing. But he's also trying to be cool because he's with his friends and they're whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta embarrass him then.
I think I did. Oh, I did. Yeah, I said, oh, you're driving now. And he's like, yeah, like, I'm out. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Like, I left like really fast. So,
What else is fire, dude?
Fire.
oh, yes.
You gotta do something like that because
Yeah,
he was
he does-
embarrassed just around us old people.
Yeah,
doing
he
that.
does. He does
Yeah,
have
right,
a problem
friends.
with us using the new words
Yeah,
Yeah.
Right.
that are usually like still dated even for him. Those are the good ones. So that make yourself a Florida pirate. You're gonna love it. Make it with plantation dark rum. Is that what it's called, or extra dark, or something dark?
It is good with that rum.
Original dark.
Mm.
It's tasty. You can get a Total Wine, I think, because that's where I buy it. Because it's the only place I can get it right now. We're in New Hampshire. Tasty like warm hugs.
It's fantastic.
Can't beat that. Maybe we should have called it the warm hug cocktail.
Yeah, the warm hug.
Well, there you go.
Arr.
Down below, the link to the bartender starter kit. We're done. We're teaching you how to drink.